How is the shift toward AI investments affecting employment in tech companies? The truth might surprise you as AI both creates and disrupts jobs in ways you never expected. As tech companies pour billions into AI, many routine and repetitive jobs are being automated. Software testing, data entry, and even some coding tasks are now handled by AI tools. This creates a risk of job displacement for roles focused on manual or repetitive work. However, this automation frees talent to focus on more creative, strategic, and complex problem-solving tasks that AI cannot perform. The key is that AI replaces some jobs, but also transforms others, making human skills more valuable in new ways. While some jobs disappear, AI investments also generate new roles. Companies need AI researchers, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethics specialists to develop and manage these systems. This creates high-paying, specialized jobs that require advanced skills. Additionally, new industries and startups emerge around AI technologies, expanding tech employment beyond traditional roles. So AI is a job creator in cutting-edge fields, even as it disrupts older roles. The shift toward AI means tech employees must continuously upgrade their skills. Familiarity with AI tools, programming languages like Python, data analysis, and an understanding of AI ethics are becoming essential. Companies are investing in retraining programs to help employees transition into AI-related roles. This evolving landscape rewards adaptability and lifelong learning, making tech careers more dynamic and challenging, but also more rewarding. AI integration is reshaping how tech companies organize their teams. Collaboration between AI specialists and traditional developers is crucial to build effective AI-powered products. This leads to more interdisciplinary teams combining domain expertise with AI capabilities. Companies are also creating new leadership positions focused on AI strategy and governance. This structural shift reflects how AI is not just a tool, but a core part of business transformation in tech. The shift toward AI investments is reshaping tech employment in profound ways. While some jobs become obsolete, new roles emerge and skill sets evolve rapidly. If you want to thrive in tech, adapting to AI is no longer optional. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead in this fast-changing world.